Come over there.
Immigration.
Immigrant? What? Wow. Well, I mean, we are citizens. No problem.
Yeah, we're good.
No problem. We're good.
Immigration. Why are you running? Why are you running?
The guy is a citizen.
Are you normal? Are you normal?
Hey, pizza. When you wala.
This is a very nice one. Nice pizza, man.
Yeah.
You know?
This is New York.
How many calories?
This is 1 million calories. So. Hey, my people back home, I love the Noribole. I'm not one in the work here. I'm chilling.
This thing, man. This is nice.
What do we eat? Cassava, àgbàdo, corn, in the morning.
We're having fun in America. I'm a citizen of the United States of America.
United States.
Okay, United States.
Let them know.
My anger be say for back home, some of them they gossip say I'm not a citizen. When you
Tell them now.
look in the picture. They lie. They tell people they carry rumors say I'm not a citizen. Me will be citizen of America.
Confirm.
You understand?
Confirm.
So you know never. Manana, when you work in America, he was citizen. Asian number Rochai wala. Nothing will happen.
These pizza are very nice.
Oh, yeah, can you imagine a whole me?
New York pizza.
Citizen of America. People are saying I'm not a citizen. Hello with them, him with tie. Wala.
Confirm.
So munamta. No, na hona hen na house. When you work here, you wala. I'm with America.
Pizza, New York City. New York City pizza.
Okay, New York City pizza.
New York City.
No, he told the other day like this, my boss told him, logo.
Wow.
A whole citizen of America. Hello, what is him, my wife? A bank about Rosan.
It is smoky.
Million.
It is taking there.
Is that immigration coming over there?
Immigration.
Immigrant?
What? Wow. Well, I mean, we are citizens. No problem.
Yeah, we're good.
No problem. We're good.
Immigration.
No.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
He's a citizen.
Yeah.
It's not a citizen.
Are you sure?
It's not a citizen.
Well, he said he's a citizen.
Did that?
Oh, man. So why is he running from immigration?
Nah, can you imagine? I thought the guy was a citizen. Did that? Did that know that I was
Jackpot, you just jackpot.
Wow.
Carry and go back again.
Thank God, though. And even the immigration turned around. I thought he was coming
They
here.
were just driving past now.
Oh, okay.
They were just driving past.
Oh, man. Our people, man. Our people. Why is he bragging that you... You know what? You gotta talk to that your boy, man.
I will talk to him. Now, so some people they can lie. They talk to impress people back home. Meanwhile, nothing.
Oh, man. Oh, can you imagine? That guy has been here for years.
Can you imagine?
Huh?
We must learn a lesson.
I mean, if they carry about rich over now, you could be like,
Oh
say,
my God.
American people do UK.
No, they're going to say I'm village people.
Oh, that's true. That's another thing. That in village people do.
The village people.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derima.